I know them always say, yo, money can't buy happiness, seen? And for tell you the truth, I probably truth them attack. But honestly, I always admit say, are the people them what done make them millions, and them turn around and come tell with that. So what me I try to say is just for research purposes, since me don't know what it's like to be broke and happy, give me the perspective of what it's like to be rich and unhappy, just so that I can properly understand your perspective. You understand what I mean? I say right now, what you tell me say is like if you buy a bossy table, put in your house, and you always a buck your toe up on the bossy table, the rich people them are gonna look back on you and say, yo, just move the table and you'll be happy. What me I say is, give me the money so I can buy this bossy table, put in on my house so I can then buck my toe up on it